Slow cooking without a slow cooker. I frequently hear people telling me about how wonderful their slow cookers, aka crock pot, are. In many cases they're right. Meat that tends to come out tough in normal cooking comes out very tender from a slow cooker. But do I really need a slow cooker to pull this off? It seems like such a basic concept: simmer and/or steam at low heat. What's so special about these devices? For kitchens with very limited space, can a slow cooker be synthesized from other cooking implements, or is there really no substitute?
Your best bet would be a Dutch oven on a low to medium-low heat in the oven. You could use a regular pot in the oven, but you'd need to stir it regularly, maybe every hour, to stop everything from sticking to the sides and burning. And I'd go with at Lomax's suggestion first of a Dutch oven, or any heavy oven-safe pot or crock with a heavy lid, in the oven. But the trick here is either thermal mass or insulation to help even out the temperatures in the oven that J. Muller mentioned, and keep the food temperature from fluctuating significantly. You might be able to get decent results with a lighter weight pot by adding thermal mass to the oven, pizza stone, bricks, etc. But I've never tried it for this purpose, only for baking. Update. At Julel's comment remind me of something. Before everyone had ovens in their home, and you'd take your stews and the like to the town baker to throw in his oven after the morning's bread baking was done. You might seal the dish with bread. It doesn't have to taste good, as it's going to be thrown away, but you mix flour and water into a dough, then roll it into a strand that you can press into the top rim of the dish, then press the lid on.